Want to swap your Bitcoin for EOS without the hassle? Here's your quick guide. First, pick a solid exchange like Kraken, Coinbase, or ChangeNow. These platforms are secure, user-friendly, and beginner-approved. Next, create an account and verify your identity. Yeah, you'll need to pass that Know Your Customer (KYC) check. Now it's time to deposit your Bitcoin. Just generate a deposit address on your exchange account and transfer your Bitcoin over. Once that's done, find the BTC EOS trading pair. This is where the magic happens. Place a market order for an instant swap or a limit order to get your desired price. Enter the amount of BTC you want to convert, check the fees, and confirm. Finally, withdraw your shiny new EOS to your personal wallet. Make sure your wallet is ready and compatible with EOS. Remember, compare exchange fees, ensure strong security, and watch out for crypto volatility. Start small, use 2FA, and keep those private keys secure. And that's it! You've just converted Bitcoin to EOS like a pro.